Hi, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the Wolfbox G840S. This is a dash cam, rear view mirror combination with a camera that goes out the back and a camera that's on the front to see what's going on in front. I have also purchased the kit I got has the hardwire kit. So here we go. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Nice box. Opens up. Inside here we find the dash cam itself, looks like. Nice. Quality piece of hardware. Under here, looks like we've got a GPS module, cleaning cloth, two different sizes of elastic mounts, pry tool for installation. It's like the rear view camera and the associated cable that goes with that. And then what comes in the box is the 12-volt adapter. Like I said, I've purchased a hardwire kit to make it for a cleaner install. Instruction manual. It's all English so far. And then not so much English for half of it. So pretty decent instruction manual, looks like. And then maybe a quick start guide. Yeah, read me first before installation. So that's what comes inside the box with the G40S Wolfbox.